Welcome to your daily moment of meditation. On the path to wealth, we sometimes forget the importance of celebrating every step, every victory, no matter how small. Today, let's connect with the magic of appreciating our small achievements, as they are what pave the way to greatness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Let's start. Find a comfortable place, breathe deeply, and allow yourself to immerse yourself in this ocean of serene thoughts. Close your eyes and think about the last time you accomplished something, even if it was something modest. Maybe you've completed a difficult task, saved a little money, or made a wise decision. Feel the joy of this realization pulsing through you. Now, imagine how this celebration is not only a moment of joy, but also an investment in your financial future. Every small achievement is a brick in building your prosperity. When we celebrate, we send the universe the message of gratitude and trust. Gratitude attracts more reasons to be grateful, and trust attracts opportunities that were previously invisible. Today, promise yourself that you won't let a single achievement go uncelebrated. Whether it's a sincere smile, a brave step, or a small financial breakthrough. Celebrate as if every victory is a precious note in your personal symphony of prosperity. And now, a special invitation for you. Join the community of our channel, Wealth and Prosperity, where we share insights and inspiration to walk the path of abundance. By celebrating the small achievements, we are shaping our financial destiny. May every victory be a beacon illuminating the way to a more prosperous life. Peace and prosperity.